Okay, I forgot what this wood is, and now it's not gonna. Soaked it, take the wax off, everything, so it's now just wood. So I don't know what it is, and maybe I can find the label. And then it's got oak drawer sides on the outside. So I did that just for contrast. So bottom, top, or vice versa. And I'm going to make a square bowl where the rim and the base will be light colored. Okay, I have this board that I got. It was a turning square at a retailer. I added these two oak pieces because I want some contrast. So I'll make the bottom and the top have a feature that somehow has that in it. I don't remember what the wood is, and I should. And I might have the sticker that was on it still, but I'll check it. But in any case, I've got a woodworm screw in the middle. I've got to hook it on here and turn it round, except basically I think I'm going to do a square turn bowl. There we go, it's on. Okay, here is one of my latest bowls. It's a square turned bowl with oak glued on the top and bottom, just for contrast. The dark wood, I'm sorry to say, I don't know what it is. It's an exotic that I got at one of the retail stores bargain bin for a reasonable price, so I decided to buy it. I don't usually buy wood, and I don't often glue things together. But here's the bowl. It's on my Connects stand. I'm going to try that, see how the video turns out. But it's about 5.5 inches across and 2 inches tall, and it turned out really nice. I am happy with it. The flat surfaces that you can see right there and near the top is chain or bandsaw marks, because I did resaw this just to get it square with my glued on pieces, and it turned out amazingly good. I just do like it. I don't do many glue ups though. Let's see, what else? Yeah, I lost the sticker that went with the piece of wood that tells you what it is. I would like to know about what people think of my stroboscopic turning, whether I'm not talking enough, is the sound okay? I did recently change it because somebody commented. There are a few things I'd just like to know, am I doing okay? And I don't know if that'll come out here, because it depends on if people watch this ending. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe for more similar wood turning videos. Please comment on the video and I should respond. I make a video about once a week.